Hey guys, welcome to the Team Vault YouTube channel. Welcome to the workout of the week as well. So we're going to take you through a quick workout today. Exercise 1, the plank up down. So this is following our primal movement patterns work that we've been doing for a little while. So JK is going to work through 10 reps, 5 up and 5 down. Maintaining a nice neutral spine, glutes working, maintaining some nice full breath cycles as he goes as well. When you've done your 10 reps, take your break and move on to exercise number 2. Cool. All right, exercise number 2 is our suspension row. So Joey's again in his plank, a bit more supine. Adjust the intensity by how you position yourself. 5 reps here. Exercise number 3, the pendulum lunge. So you're working 5 reps on your left leg, pivoting around that right leg, and 5 reps on your right leg, pivoting around that left leg. Again, the length of the strides can vary depending on you, depending on the intensity that you want to work. The depth can also vary depending on what your body wants to work like today. Exercise number 4 follows on from here. All right, exercise 4 is a kettlebell swing. We're going to go one arm, we're going to go 5 reps each arm. Good. Down and change. Keep good strong movement, keep the breathing, tall spine, activate those glutes, fire through. Alright, so that's your quick workout of the week. Just remember, you can go through that as many times as you want. 1 lap through, you can add multiple laps, you can extend it by going around as many times as you want. Just make sure you maintain good movements and make sure you've warmed up and set yourself up for the workout. Absolutely right. Now again, the idea of that was to work through some of your primal movement patterns. You can check out our other videos from our fundamental movement pattern series to learn a little bit more about those. Remember to leave a comment at the bottom as well about which was your favorite exercise, and we'll see you next week. Thanks guys.